SBU's teacher preparation program is equipping future teachers as servant leaders to inspire future generations of students. Here to tell us more is Keiton, an elementary education major from Odessa, Missouri. Through partnerships with local school districts, students will experience multiple classrooms before landing your first job as a teacher. The classroom is all yours, Keiton.
Thanks, Alex. Hey everyone. When it came to choosing my major, I wasn't sure if becoming a teacher was what I really wanted. That was until I toured Southwest Baptist University and met the amazing professors we have here. After all my college visits, I then realized where I would receive the best education and where I'd be able to become the best teacher. It was SBU. The education department provides every student with a great experience and even better education. As an education major, you get hands-on experience right away, even as a freshman or sophomore. My field experiences give me the opportunities to take what I'm learning and apply it to a real and unpredictable environment in local schools. Outside of the classroom, our professors are still modeling what it looks like to be a great teacher by encouraging us through their actions and words. My professors love when you stop by their offices to talk or even just to say hi. The education program is a standout program where you're able to interact with professors, other education majors, and get the hands-on experiences you need to be ready to teach. Our education students get the opportunity to be in the classroom before you graduate with their field experiences, student teaching semester, and the Bearcat Teach internship. And there are different opportunities within our program, like global education and special education. 100% of our students pass the special education certification on the first try. The education department and professors have impacted me and helped me grow in more ways than they know, and I will be forever grateful for that. Not only do you learn how to teach students, but you'll do it so many times that you'll be ready for anything thrown your way. Back to you, Alex.
Thank you, Keiton, for telling us how you are learning to become a teacher. Your students are gonna love having you in the classroom. SBU education faculty help graduates find jobs in area school districts and continue to mentor their students after they have classrooms of their own. That is awesome. All right, Keiton, take care.